Flashback of Shinzone's henchman getting stabbed. What was that?
Yo, look at this!
Yeah, don't get the shot. They got the shot. He's gonna have to redo that anyway, man.
Yo, I wanted to do an outtake, but man, this thing's the keg, man. Oh, I ain't gonna open it. Oh, no, I can't. Oh, man.
Different positions, man. Alright.
He's filming, ain't he?
Yeah. I see record on there. Alright, you wanna try that again?
Oh, man.